Welcome to Elevate Rock School. Come on in, let me show you around. As you walk in, you'll see our lobby buzzing with energy, teachers greeting students, bands forming, and excitement building before lessons even begin. This is our vocal room. Stacy is one of our vocal instructors and also our program director. Here's Mitch, one of our bass instructors, teaching students how to lock in the groove. Next is Nathan. He's in our guitar room building skills, confidence, and stage presence. And he's our music director as well. Over here is Noah, one of our awesome drum instructors, keeping the beat strong and the energy high. Down the hall is Lyle in our piano room, helping students connect chords, rhythm, and creativity too. In rock band, where we're heading now, students combine their skills and learn how to work together as a band. They learn how to listen, collaborate, and perform together, just like real musicians, as they rehearse with instructors to get ready for live shows. Soon we're going to head over to our Little Peeps, our program for our youngest musicians. Here Lou introduces kids to drums, bass, piano, singing, and guitar. At Elevate Rock School, music is more than just lessons. It's confidence, connection, and community too. We're so glad you're here, and we know you're going to love it.